Happy Valentine's Day to everybody who watches my channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're gonna make a red velvet petit four platter for our loved ones. So here's our red velvet cake, cooled out of the oven and made on our sheet pan, so it's pretty thin, the cake. And I modified it to bakery standards by adding an extra egg and a stick of melted butter along with dairy-free milk. So you go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have about 14 inches of cake. So I have the cake on a cutting board and on a layer of parchment paper for your information for when you make it yourself. Yes, see the parchment paper here, and then there's a cutting board underneath it so I can lift up the whole cake. See? All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the cream cheese frosting. Okay, now we have the cake crumb coated and we're gonna go ahead and put it into the freezer until it hardens and we can cut it into squares. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut our cake into as perfect as we can squares. And it's, you know, it's for our Valentine, so with love, we cut it. Now we're gonna go ahead and separate our petit fours so that we can frost them individually with our candy melts. All right, now we're gonna make them super cute. I'm so excited. So here are our white candy melts. Go ahead and dip our petit fours into this. Gotta eat this one, it keeps falling over. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay, so I'm adding some candy melts to the top of the petit fours, which is not really traditional, but just to make them special for Valentine's Day. And then I'm gonna leave some without any coating, any candy melts, because I really enjoy them without the candy melts too. I like them in all varieties. Yep.